Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope everyone is fine. Today is part 2 of vertically opposite angles. Today we will get to know how to find the value of unknown variables in the question. Question is two lines cross each other. Angles are given. First angle is given 2b plus 13. Second one 7a. Both are on straight line and adjacent angles. And this one is 103 also. 7a and 103 both are adjacent angles. So if I will place something to make you understand, there is no angle, one straight line, 103 and 7a both are adjacent angles because common vertex, share same vertex and side as well. So sum of all angles on a straight line, sum of adjacent angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. So 7a plus 103 is equal to 180 degree. We have to find the value of a, so we will take 103 on other side. 7a is equal to 180 minus 103. 7a, 10 minus 3 is 7, 7 minus 0 is 7. So we'll take 7 on other side. 77 divided by 7, a value is 11. So if a value is 11, so this angle is 7 multiplied by 11, 77. After this, we need to find the value of b. This one is 13. So both vertically opposite angles are equal. So it's mean 2b plus 13 is equal to 103. 2b 103 minus 13. 2b is equal to 3 minus 3 is 0 and 10 minus 1 is 9. We'll take to another side because we need to find the value of b. 90 divided by 2, b is equal to 45. So a value is 11, b value is 45. We just need to find the value of these variables. If you want to find the value of this angle, so 2 multiplied by 45 plus 13, follow board mass rule. 42 5 multiplied by 2 is 90 plus 13, that is 103, because both angles are equal. This one is proof that vertically opposite angles are equal. Let's have another question. In this we have to find the value of D, E and C. Same like we have done in question number 1, we need to divide into two parts. Just I am going to place or think that there is no line. These all are adjacent angles because share common vertex and sides. 49 is adjacent to 62, 62 is adjacent to D. So sum of all angles on a straight line is equal to 180 degree. So I will make equation and find the value of D. D plus 62 degree plus 49 degree is equal to 180 degree. Plus these two values 9, 10, 11, 1, 6 plus 4 is 10 and then 11, 180 degree. We'll take 111 on other side because we need to find the value of D. 180 degree minus 111 is equal to 10 minus 1 is 9 and 7 minus 1 is 69 degree. So value of D is 69 degree. Now you need to observe one thing, that this whole portion is equal to this whole portion because this angle is divided into two parts and then we will get E. To find the value of E, we need to plus these two because vertically opposite angles are equal. So E is equal to 62 plus 49. 9 plus 2, 11, 1 and 1, 11. So this value is 111 degree. Okay, and after this we need to find the value of C. If 3C and D both are vertically opposite angles, or other way we can find on a straight line. Both way you can use for this one. 3c is equal to 69 if I will find in this way. Method 1, I am going to apply the vertically opposite angles. 3c is equal to 69 and c is equal to 69 by 3. 3 2 times 6 and 3 3 times 9. If I want to use another method for this one, I know the value of E. Place this one, both are adjacent angles. Sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. Method 2, 3c plus 111 degree is equal to 180 degree. 3c will take 111 on other side, 180 degree minus 11, 10 minus 1 is 9, 7 minus 1 is 6. To find the value of c, will take on other side 69 divided by 3, therefore the value of c is 23. Both ways you can use to find the value of c. If the question is that we have to find the value of angles, we can multiply the value of c with 3 and all angles are here. I hope you will understand that how to apply the vertical opposite angles properties and adjacent angles properties to find the value of unknown variables. Thank you for watching. Keep sharing, keep watching and subscribe my channel for more videos. Allah Hafiz.